Hey everyone, it's Londile here, the leader and the instructor of Manikwe School. Today we're actually doing exercise 3.32. This is it right here. I hope everyone can see, and if that is not the case, let me try to zoom in a little bit. I hope it's clear now. So without any waste of time, let me read through the question. Okay, they're telling us, given a directed line from point 0 to point 1, you can use the following condition to decide whether a point P2 is on the left of the line, on the right, or on the same line. Okay, in fact, the most important thing here is this, right? The equation that you use in order to find some number less than 0, greater than 0, or equals to 0. Okay, so figure 3.11a is a case where point P is to the left of the line, and figure 3.11b is the case where P is to the right of the line. And lastly, figure 3.c shows us a case where point 2 is on the line segment. Okay, they're telling us to write a program that prompts the user to enter 3 points P0, P1, and P2 and displays whether P2 is on the left of the line from P1 to P0, from P0 to P1 on the right, or on the same line. Okay, they also gave us 3 different sample runs. Okay, so what I will now do, I'll jump onto my IDE and then try to give out a solution. What I did firstly though is to create a scanner and then 6 variables to hold the XY coordinates for each point. I hope that's clear, so there's nothing much to explain. Okay, the very first thing we want to do though is to have a variable that we will use to determine whether the point is on the left, right, or on the same line segment. Right, okay, I'll simply name that variable determinant, right? This is the formula I'll simply use. Where is it? Where you at, formula? I'm gonna copy it as it is. Oops. I'm gonna copy it as it is and then simply put closing bracket. We're done. So once we do that, we only have got to check. We are left to checking determinant, whether determinant is greater than 0. If that is the case, we simply go system.out.print we simply go of course we wanna do that. We'll simply say x2 I hope everyone can see what's going on here. Essentially, I'm trying to display these values, these coordinates, the coordinates for x2, for point 2, so this point is on the left. Is on the left side of the line from, let me try to put this in the next line so that it's gonna be clear for everyone. It's to the left, okay, left side of the line from, again, from point 0 has to be written as x naught. You concatenate that with a comma, and then concatenate that with y naught. Again, we've got to close our brackets. Then we display to let me try not to copy. Let me just x1 y1 okay. I hope everyone is clear what's going on here. I'm simply displaying the second point, and I'm saying it is on the left side of the line from point 0 to point 1. Okay. Else, if our determinant is less than 0, I can simply copy this as it is, then paste it right over there, and simply replace the word left by the word right. Right. This is my last case. And on my last case, I'll simply say you can make an argument that some code is repeated here, right? Is on the same line. Is on the line from, yeah, okay, yeah, it has to be like that. X2, the point, okay, point 2 is on the line from point 0 to point 1. Done. Okay, you can make an argument that some of this, there's some code that is being repeated. We can of course try to extract that and put it outside right above our if statement here, maybe here on line 23, but we don't have to, come on, it's not like it's something huge. We only repeated something that is inside our print statement, and it's not like it's a lot. Maybe it's one line or 2 lines. Anyways, let's try to check if our program works as expected. Oh, by the way, I'm only gonna give out one solution for this exercise. Reason being, it's pretty straightforward. Everything is told to us, so there's no thinking, there's no much of thinking involved here. So that's why I'll simply give out one solution. Okay, what they got, they told us that point is on the left side. Okay, Okay, it seems like we got what we expected. Let's try this one here now. It's on the line. Just as we expected. Again, you can try different inputs yourself and check it out if it works. Again, it's not like I want people to have a code that is exactly the same as mine. No, it doesn't have to be like that. As long as you have something working. The main purpose of this channel is to compare your solution with mine. And it's not like I'm saying my solutions are always better than yours. No. It's a matter of trying to see what you could have done wrongly or incorrectly. That should be it for this tutorial, you guys. Please let me know in case I messed up somewhere, somehow. I also want to hear our solution. What is it that you did? What is it you think I should have done I could have done differently? Okay, that should be it for this tutorial, you guys. Cheers, I'm gone.